the importance of spending time in nature as a believer. So basically, um, I'm in nature. I I climbed out here to this mountain. Um, you can hear the birds like singing and chirping and all that. And it's peaceful out here, you know. In the world we live in, there's it's a fake world, just to say the least. It's a fake world, and there's not much authenticity out there. Everything is fake. Uh, but nature, there's nothing really fake about it. I mean, everything is doing its purpose. It's doing what it's supposed to be. Over there, there's a tree. It This whole place burned down. Actually, this is Malibu. It burned down, and some trees made it, some didn't. But this tree made it. Half of it is green, and the other half is like the leaves are tan. Let me show you. So you see, the left side of it is almost dying, and then the right side is trying to stay alive. But like I was saying, you know, everything is energy. God, Elohim, He made the world as an energy. We are energy. Everything is energy. That's why when some people say, "Oh, I like that person's energy," because they have a certain aura, I guess you can say, that they possess, that they have, that they put out there, and that's what we are. You know, we're all energy, and there are certain places that have certain energies too. You go to a certain place and you're like, yeah, I feel bad vibes from this place. That's because there's something not right there. There's an energy that's not good. And by the way, this is not something that's new age or, you know, none of that weird, whatever, witchcraft and none of that stuff. This is the way God made the world. So when you come out here to nature, you unplug yourself from this fake world and you tap into that energy, to this authentic energy. And when you leave, since energy, science says that energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed, it could only be transferred, you take that energy with you. And another reason to spend time in nature is because it's you know, there was a saying that says that there are two ways to fall in love with God, because people would go to rabbis or to teachers or to pastors and say, well, how can I love a God that I don't see, that I can't touch, that I can't speak to face, and it's a commandment too. It says I am the God that took you out of Egypt, and and it's commanded that we are supposed to love Him. So one way is to love God. One way to fall in love with God is through Torah, through the Word, through immersing yourself into that world of Torah, of life, of wisdom and all that stuff that the Torah, the Bible, has to offer. And there's another way of falling in love with Him, and that's through nature. That's why it's important for a believer to spend time in nature, because you know, when you come out here and you become in awe, you're fascinated by everything that this place has to offer. It feels good, you know. And there's a quote, I don't remember who said it, but it says, the Creator is always bigger than its creation. So you look at all this creation, you look at the mountains, the birds, the vegetables, the fruit, the animals, everything in nature. You look at it and you say, wow, the creator is great. You know, the creator is always bigger than its creation. So, and you fall in love with it by the beauty of it, the beauty that it possesses, this nature. And I just wanted to make a video about that. Yeah. Thanks for watching.
נכנס למקום שנכנס ועמד במקום שעמד, רחץ ידיו רגליו, טבל עליו ונסתפק. בא ממקום שהוא בא והלך למקום שהלך, פשט בגדי החול, לבש בגדי לבן, וכך היה אומר אנא השם, כפר לחטאים, לעוונות ולפשעים שחטאתי לפניך אני וביתי. ואם אדם היה יכול לזכור את הפגמים, את החסרונות, את כל הפשעים, את כל העוונות, בטח כך היה מונה אחת, אחת ואחת, אחת ושתיים, אחת ושלוש, אחת וארבע, אחת וחמש. ישר היה מתייאש, כי לא יכול היה לשאת את המרירות, החטא, את הבושה, את הפספוס, את ההפסד. והכהנים והעם העומדים בעזרה, כשהיו שומעים את שם השם המפורש יוצא מפי, כהן גדול היו קוראים, משתחווים ונופלים על פניהם. ברוך שם כבוד מלכותו לעולם ועד. פסע למקום שפסע, פניו לקודש אחוריו להיכל, ללא רבב היו שווים פיו ומעשיו. בא ממקום שהוא בא והלך למקום שהלך,